Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a simple step-by-step how to create an SNS topic, a simple notification service on AWS Management Console. So I'll show you how to create it, right? So SNS is a simple notification service where you set an action, and when that action is triggered, you get a notification either on your email or anyone you choose, right? So this one I'm going to be showing you how to set up your SNS and then create a subscription to your email. So search for the SNS, simple notification service, and then we'll click on it here, right? So it's not something you just go ahead and then add your email. No, you first of all create a topic. Well, after creating a topic, then you create a subscription inside that same topic. That is where you now add your email. So I'll show you how to do it. So let us create our first topic, and let's make it standard. And then let's give our topic a name. So let's name this Kingston topic, right? And then you can optionally give it a display name. So just create a topic, leave everything as is simply, and then create your topic. So this topic has been created. You can see the name of the topic here, right? So now we'll add a subscription. So create a subscription. This is where we add our email. So you click on create subscription. So you select the protocol for this subscription. So let's make it email because we want to receive it on email. So you put the email address here. You type in the email address here. So let's name this, let's add an email address here, right? So put an email address where we want to be receiving this notification, anything that happens. So add it there, and then we create subscription. So now you have created the subscription, but let's go over to the topic and see. So in this topic, there is one, in this SNS, there's one topic, and this is the topic, right? So let's click on the topic. In this topic, there is one subscription, which is the email we have added. But you can't receive notification on this email yet because you have not confirmed it. So you need to go to that email and confirm it. So let's go over to the email here and check for it. So go over to this email. So let's refresh. So this is in notification here. So you click on the notification and then confirm subscription. So now subscription confirmed. So let's go back to that account and let us refresh this. Note, this is showing pending confirmation and the protocol here is email. So let's refresh this. And as you can see now, this email has been confirmed. So whenever you use this topic for any maybe you're doing a project or you're doing a job or a work on your AWS Management Console, and then you use this topic, you can get your SNS notifications on this email because you have added it on inside the topic. You added the topic first, then you created a subscription inside the topic which sent notification to your email. So that is how easy it is to create an SNS topic and add an email subscription to receive your notification. Thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful. See you in my next video.